Part D of Medicare, which is your Medicare prescription drug plan. And that's what people need to look at. Put your prescriptions in there. You never know when you're going to take Dupixent or Ozempic or Eliquis. I mean, whatever you're seeing advertised on TV, they're not advertising it because they want to help you. Those suckers are very, very, very expensive. Dupixent's like $2,000. Ozempic is like $2,000.
Right. Yes.
Yeah.
And there's been a lot of that in the news lately. Ozempic.
I mean, everybody.
Yeah.
I mean, every doctor will prescribe Ozempic because it helps you lose weight.